Hello, we are the group number 15 in Department of Finance. As a part of our assignment in the subject of operation management, we are studying on the total quality management in CBL. So let's check it out about this case study in quality assurance in CBL.
Our story started with a biscuit called Care, which paved the way for a journey of food with purpose that can make a difference in our world.
CBL, Ceylon Biscuits Limited, is a powerhouse in Sri Lankan FMCG sector with the flagship brand like Munchee and its group. CBL has been involved in the local family to international player with exporting to over 60 countries. This success depends on the quality first strategy. So let's check about the CBL, how they maintain their leadership in their international standards and the operational strategies in this highly competitive market.
Munchee chocolate puff. Veralikara rasayak.
To dominate international market, CBL adheres to global benchmark. Most notably, CBL Munchee is the only biscuit manufacturer in South Asia to hold the BRC AA+ certification. The AA+ grade is the highest possible rating achieved through an unannounced audit, proving that their quality standards are consistent every single day, not just during inspections.
Indulge yourself in the real taste of cocoa in each and every chocolatey bite with new and exclusive Munchee chocolate cream.
Furthermore, for their massive North American exports, CBL maintains US FDA registration, ensuring every product meets strict federal safety law. They also hold ISO 2020 and HACCP for good safety and ISO 9001 for quality management. This certification acts as a global passports, allowing CBL to bypass trade barriers and build trust with consumers from UK to Australia.
Chocolate, vanilla, strawberry රසය. Munchee sticks. ඔඩියට හිටියම හරි ජොලි.
Quality in CBL is not just checking at the end. Actually, everything is built into the process. Every batch of raw material from wheat flour to palm oil are being lab tested before putting into the process. Inside of their smart factories, they use very advanced machineries runs 24 hours into 7 with customized software system. Apart from that, they have our backup system, which is eliminating any production losses that could be occurred throughout the process. And also, the only point where production losses could be occurred is the packaging stage, but that also eliminated using employee-driven improvement teams.
Beyond their certifications, CBL's operational excellence comes down to two things: their people and their philosophy. They have implemented Toyota's 5S system, which ensures that they have a world-class manufacturing facility and they operate with maximum efficiency and quality. They have also implemented Kaizen, which allows their employees to give constant feedback, which results in daily improvements, which reduces wastage. In conclusion, quality is not just about certificates on the wall. It is a commitment to the consumer, precision in every single biscuit manufactured, and a passport to the global market. So in summary, by integrating high quality manufacturing with the discipline of Kaizen and 5S, CBL does not manufacture biscuits, they manufacture trust. So throughout this case study, we have understood that operational excellence that is fueled by discipline allows local brands to conquer the world. Thank you.